Hello everyone, I am Arslan. Today we are starting our machine learning series. In this video I will explain what supervised learning is, and then we will understand it using popular data, Iris Dataset. This will be a simple and clear explanation, so let's begin with the part 1, and let me show you the Iris machine learning notebook. Okay. And for this we have Iris Dataset. Let me show you the dataset. Here you can see that we have iris.csv file and we have iris Python file, actually Jupyter Python file. So supervised learning is a type of machine learning where the model learns from labeled data. So here that is importing the libraries. We have different libraries like pandas, numpy, matplotlib to show the graphs, sequon and the SNS, and model selection. That we have to split the data into train and test, and then on the second last line, assemble and bound random forest classify. This is actually the algorithm for which we are using for classification, and on the last line we have accuracy score, confusion matrix and certification. So let's start with that. Loading the CSV file. We have loaded the CSV file in data frame. df is equal to pd.read CSV, and show the first row. You can see that we have different columns in that. ID, sepal length centimeter, sepal width centimeter, petal width centimeter, species. We have different species, iris, tosa, etc. And then exploratory data analysis. We have to check the data. Actually it is the pre-processing. We have to define the shape and dataset description, and we have to find actually the missing values. If there will be any missing values, we will drop these values with the df.original and some. So here you can see that we don't have any type of missing values. We have dataset description and dataset shape. We have 150 rows and we have 6 columns actually. Dataset shape is telling that we have 150 rows and 6 columns. So next topic is next thing is that we have to visualize the data. We have to check how the data is showing on the pair plot, or we will show the correlation heat map. So let's start from the we have to interrupt the kernel and restart the kernel, and we will restart it. And after, on every tab we have to run it, and we will check that if everything is working fine. So let's start with importing the libraries. We are okay, so that is working fine, and I will. So this is working fine. Exploration data analysis is showing very good, and here we can see that the graphs actually, and we have to wait for some seconds. It will show that all of these graphs and heat map on that. Okay, so let's start. We have ID, we have sepal length, we have sepal width, we have petal length, and we have petal width. So here you can see that all of these graphs, and below is the heat map. We can see that ID, sepal length, etc. for heat map, and preparing the data. We will drop the species because we have to we have actually the x-axis and y-axis. So on the y-axis we will